Here I've got Motorola Moto G7 Play, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. At the very beginning, you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the More icon, which is 3 dots in the right upper corner, and then select the settings. Here click on Blocked Numbers and select Add a Number. And simply by entering the number, you can block some particular contact. Click on Block. And that's it. From now on, this number will no longer be able to reach you, so you will not receive any calls or messages from this blocked number. Then, if you would like to remove this number from your blacklist, click on the cross icon and confirm it by tapping on Unblock. And that would be all. This is how you can block and unblock a particular number in your Motorola. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.